2 minutes of time. Just wait for the 2 minutes of time. Give me the 1 minute of time, guys. Please give me the 1 minute of time. Yes, guys. Are you people able to hear me? Guys, Bhuvanesh, Ashutosh,
Yes, sir.
Kiran. Yes. Can I go for the guys? Yesterday, what we completed? Anyone remembered? Yesterday, which topic we completed? Anyone remembered?
Creating server and starting the
HTTP.
server.
Exact dummy server. Now we created one a dummy server. Which server? HTTP server. Is my point right or not? Yesterday we created one a dummy server. The server is the HTTP server. Fine, guys. Can I start important topics at the beginning of the class? Can I start the important topics? Let me start the important topics. But why we need to wait the time care? We don't want to wait the time care. I wanted to go for the some important topic. Guys, you people join this course. Coming to you people join this course for express JSR nata, developing the REST services, interacting with the databases, sending the email, receiving the email, something or not. Is my point
Yes,
right
sir.
or
Yes.
not? Yes, let me say this one. Guys, did I create any repository for you? Did I create any repository for you? Can you people tell? Yes, we
Yes,
created
sir.
one repository. Yesterday, we created one repository here. Is my point right or not? Yes. Let me open our repository. Visual Studio Code. Please go through the Visual Studio Code. After opening the Visual Studio Code, please open the folder. I need to open the folder. Whatever the folder is there, that folder we need to open. Can I go for the Node.js folder? Yes or no? Let me go for the Node.js folder. Whatever the Node.js folder is there, that Node.js folder we need to open. Let me go for the Node.js folder. Fine. After opening the Node.js folder, this is the folder. This is the repository we created yesterday, and I given this link in the group itself also. Fine. Now see this one here itself. Uh, can I click the here itself? Can I go for the right click, new file, right click, new file? Can I go for the 0202 express 02 express.js? Can I go for the 02 express.js? Yes or no? Yes. Let me go for the 02 express.js. Fun. Try to see this one. Guys, can you people tell some theoretical statements? What is express? What is Express? Express is the module. Express is the module in a Node.js. First statement. What is Express? Talk with me. Express is the module in a
Jill for
Node.js.
REST API.
Yeah, say this one. Express is the third-party module. Which module? Third-party module in Node.js. Coming to the Express is the third-party module in Node.js. Guys, some people they are calling Express is the framework also. Some people they are calling Express is the framework also. Catch my point, Kiran. Say this one. Express is the framework also. And some people they are calling Express is the Rust framework. And some people they are calling Express is what? Express is the Rust framework. Okay, now what is the use of Express framework? What is the use of Express framework? Express framework used to develop the Rust services. Coming to the Express framework. Express framework used to develop the Rust services. Is my point right or not? Say this one.
Mhm.
Express framework. Used to develop the what? Used to develop the Rust services. Can you tell the examples also? What are the examples for the REST services? The examples are the, can I tell the examples here? Get request, next one, post request, next one is the put request, next one is the put request. Can I tell the one
Delete
more request
request.
here? Which request here? One more request is there.
Delete
The request is the delete request, and like this also, and a number of requests are there. Clear na, guys? Okay na, fine. Let me go for the another thing here. We should be in a position, we need to go for the another thing here. Fine. Can I tell the one more statement here? How to download Express module? I want you to download Express module. How to download Express module? We will download Express module by using either Yarn tool or NPM tool. We will download Express module. Whatever the Express module is there, this Express module we will download by using either Yarn tool or NPM tool. Say this one. Express module. Express module we will download. Express module we will download. Very very important. We will download by using. Either which tool? Either which tool? Yarn tool. Yarn tool or which tool? Either Yarn tool or NPM tool here. Fine, guys. Someone read all the statements once again. You people need to read all the statements once again. What is the first statement? Express is the, open our mouth here. Express is the third party module in what? Node.js. And some people they're calling is what? Some people they're calling it as what? Express is the framework. Which framework? Express is the framework. Which framework? Rust framework or not? Express is the framework here. Which framework? The framework is the Rust framework. What is the use of Express framework? What is the use of Express framework? Talk with me. Express framework, X framework. I think Express framework used to develop the Rust services. May know the examples for the Rust services. Get request, post request, put request, delete request, and like this also, and a number of things are there. Fun. How to download Express module? How to download Express module? By using either Yarn tool, or NPM tool. Richa active care, either NPM tool or Yarn tool care. Is my point right or not? Say this one care. And here itself, we should be in a position, we need to go for the, say the example. What is the example here? Here npm install. Tell me which module? Express module hyphen save. Fine, guys, see this one. If I run this command, whatever the command is there, npm install express hyphen save, automatically we're able to download Express module. Whatever the Express module is there, that Express module automatically we're able to download. Very very important here. Npm install express hyphen, talk with me, hyphen save, automatically we're able to download Express module. Whatever the Express module is there, that Express module we're able to download. Fine. May know the latest command here? Can you people tell what is the latest command here? Latest command is the, open our mouth, yarn add express hyphen save. The latest command is the yarn add express hyphen save. Guys, if you want to use this command, you can use this command. If you want to use this command, you can use this command here. I think both the commands are used to download the Express module only. What is the latest command? Yarn command. What is the old command? NPM command here. NPM command is the old command here, and yarn command is the latest command here. These modules will be downloads to which folder? whatever the modules are there, these modules are downloads to which folder? Node underscore modules folder. Which folder, guys? Node underscore modules folder. Whatever the express module is there, this express module downloads to node underscore modules folder. See this one here. All the modules downloads to anyone. All the modules downloads to node underscore modules folder in which path? The path is the current path here. Very important. All the modules downloads to node underscore modules folder in which path? Current path. Fine. Yeah. Guys, new members here. Let me identify the new members here. Not new members, old members. Kiran, can you talk with me? Kiran Parvat Kumar Behra. Kiran, can you talk with me? Parvat Kumar Behra. 2 members are there. Let me identify the people here. Who are the new members I need to identify? Yes, Ashutosh, explain all the statements once again. Ashutosh, what is the first statement? Can you tell the first statement? Express is the
third module in Node.js.
Third party module. I think not third here. Third party module in Node.js. Yeah. Next one. What is the second statement? Express is the framework. And some people they are calling as what? Some people they're calling as what? REST framework. Some people they're calling as the REST framework here. And one more point. Express framework used to develop the Suresh, Express framework used to develop the REST services. Coming to the Express framework used to develop the REST services. REST services means what? Get request, post request, put request, delete request, and like this also a number of requests. How to download Express module? How to download Express module with the help of what? With the help of either YARN tool or NPM tool. What is the old tool? NPM tool. What is the latest tool? Latest tool is the YARN tool. The old tool is the NPM tool here. The latest tool is the what is the latest tool? NPM tool here. Okay, na Bhuvanesh. Fine. Yeah, Bhuvanesh, can I download module? Bhuvanesh, can I download module? Is it possible to download the module? Yes, let me download. View terminal. Bhuvanesh, tell me. View terminal. How to switch to project? I wanted to switch to project. How to switch to project? CD space. How to switch to project? I wanted to switch to project. How to switch to project? Node.js, Ashok IT. I wanted to switch to the project. After switching to the project, guys, maybe a chance to get some errors in my laptop again. That is related to voice level error. Say this one. Yarn, yard, express, hyphen, say. Yes, happily we're able to download here. No issue in my system also. No issue. So Express module downloads to which folder? Express module downloads to which folder? Node underscore modules folder. Whatever the Express module is there, that Express module downloads to node underscore modules folder. Okay, na guys, fine. Let me delete it here. I need to delete it here. After deleting here, whether we're able to delete or not, we need to see. Yes, how to download the Express module? Can you people tell here how to download the Express module? Yarn, express, hyphen, say. Yes, automatically we're able to download the Express module. Whatever the Express module is there, that Express module we're able to download here. Fine. Can I open after downloading the Express module? Can I go to our JS file? This is our JS file now. Yes or no? Fine.
Yes.
How to import Express module? Yesterday already told how to import Express module. Anyone guys? How we can import Express module? With the help of which function? With the help of function. Which function? Require function. With the help of one function, the function is the which function? Require function. Very, very important. See this one. Require. Talk with me. Require of which module? Require of which module? Express module. See this one. If you want to, guys, very, very important. If you want to import the module, at that time, we need to go for the require of Express. Automatically, we can import the module. Coming to ourselves, automatically, we can import the module. If a module, Rajat Rawat say this one, if a module imported successfully, it will return one object. Which object? Express object. it will return one object. Which object it will return here? Express object. Fine. Rajat, explain once again here how to import express module. Rajat, how to import express module? I want to import the express module. How we can import the express module? Let
So using
let with the help of which function? With the help of
Require.
which function? Require function. Require of what you wanted to place? Express of.
Express module.
Require of express. If I import the express module, if express module imported successfully, it will return one object. It will
One
return
object.
one object. Which object? Express object. Happily,
Express
it will
object.
return one object here. The object is the which object? Express object. So let express equal to require of what? Express. Automatically we're able to import the express module. Okay, now fine. Guys, what is our main target? Our main target is to create the REST services na.
Yes, sir.
To create the REST services na. Get request, post request, put request, next one, delete request, next one is the head request, next one is the options request, next one is the trace request, and like this also any number of things na. Is my point right or not? Active guys. Yes, our main target is, what is our main target? To develop the REST services na. If you want to develop REST services, first of all we should create REST object. See this one, create the which object? Create the which object? REST object. We should be in a position, we need to create the REST object. Very important here. How we can create REST object? See this one, simply we need to call the express of. See this one, simply we need to call what? Express of. Whenever we call the express of, guys, whenever we call the express class constructor, this is the constructor calling. Guys, you people are coming from the Java here. Always you are comparing this subject with the Java. Never compare with the Java. No, I'm requesting you, never compare with the Java here. Fun, try to say this one. Simply we need to call what? Simply we need to call what? Express of. Whenever we call the express of, I think I'm calling the express constructor. If I call the express constructor, it will return one REST object. Who is the REST object here? Who is the REST object here? App object is the REST object. Whatever the app object is there, this app object, we can call the REST object. Fine. Try to say this one. Guys, can you people explain once again here how to import the express module? How
Require.
to import the express module? Say this one. Import the which module? Import the which module? Express module. How we can import the express module? Piri. How we can import the express module?
Require.
Require of what you wanted to place? Require of express. Say this one. Require of express. Whenever we call the require of express here, whenever we call the require of express here, automatically we can import the express module. If express module imported successfully, automatically it will return one object. Which object it will return? Automatically it will return one object here. Which object it will return? Express object. Okay, now fine. Now what is the next target? What is the next target? Next target is the create the which object here? Create the which object? REST object. How we can create the REST object? Can you people tell how we can create the REST object? Can I call the express of? Can I call the express of? Yes or no? We should be in a position, we need to call the express of. Whenever we call the express of, automatically it will return the REST object. Who is the REST object here?
App.
Who is the REST object here? App object. Say this one here. Here I will add the statement here. Where, very important. Where app object is the, talk with me. Where app object is the REST object.
REST
Okay, na? Yeah, next one. Where app object used to where app object used to develop the REST services. Where app object used to develop the REST services. REST services means what? REST services means what? Get request, next one, post request, next one is the put request, next one is the delete request, and like this also any number of things. Okay, now guys, are you comfortable up to now? Kiran, unmute yourself, try to talk with me. Kiran, Pravat Kumar, these two, three members are the new members. You people need to talk with me here. Say this one here. Guys, one more point. After completing this one, guys, one more thing is the how to create the get request. App dot what you wanted to place get. App dot get. Guys, very important. How to create the get request? App dot get. Argument one is, what is the argument one? Argument one is URL pattern. Coming to the argument one, very important, guys. Coming to the argument one is URL pattern. May know the URL pattern here. The URL pattern is the, can I tell one URL pattern? The URL pattern is the, just to place the root URL pattern. We should be in a position, we need to place the root URL pattern. See this one here. App.get off, we need to place the URL pattern. Which URL pattern? Root URL pattern here. Fine. What is the argument to? Argument to is the callback function here. Argument 1 is the URL pattern. Argument 2 is the, what is the argument 2? Argument 2 is the callback function. See this one. Guys, can you tell the syntax of get request?
Yeah.
Can you people tell the syntax of get request here? What is the syntax of get request? App dot which one? Get off. What is the argument 1? Argument 1 is the, what is the argument 1? Argument 1 is the URL pattern. What is the argument 2? Argument 2 is the callback function. For the callback function, how many parameters we need to supply? You people need to tell me how many parameters we need to supply. We need to supply the 2 parameters. What is the first parameter? What is the first parameter? First parameter is the request parameter here. The second parameter is the, what is the second parameter? The second parameter is the response parameter here. The second parameter is the response parameter here. Fine. To go for the, what you wanted to place app.get off. What is the argument 1? Argument 1 is the URL pattern. What is the argument 2? Can you people tell what is the argument 2? Argument 2 is the
Callback function.
argument 2 is the callback function. For the callback function, how many parameters we need to supply? 2 parameters we need to supply. Why request object? Can you people tell why request object? To receive the data from the client application. To receive the data from the where? To receive the data from the client application. Why response object? To give the response to the client. To give the response to whom? To give the response to the client. Say this one. Guys, it's just a dummy example in the Express.js. This is the first dummy example. In the Express.js, you may feel like nearly 30 to 40 examples we're discussing. Only in the Express.js. A lot of examples are there. See this one. Here itself, we need to go for the response.json. We should be in a position, we need to send us some JSON data here. Response.json of, just give me the second here. Response.status of, can I place the some status code? Can I place the some status code? 200. What is the meaning of 200? Can you people tell what is the meaning of 200? Status equal to success. Like okay response here. Fine. Can I place the JSON data? Can I place the JSON data? Yes, let me place the JSON data. Here also what you wanted to place? Message. Message equal to. Here what you wanted to place? Message equal to. We should be in a position. We need to place the default get request. Default get request. See this one here. What you wanted to place? We should be in a position. We need to place the default get request here. Fine. Guys, can I create one more get request?
Yes.
Can I create one more get request, guys? Let me create the one more get request. Whatever the get request is there, one more get request we need to create. How we can create the one more get request here? App.get off. See this one. App.get off. What is the argument 1? Argument 1 is the URL pattern. URL pattern here. The URL pattern is the demo here. What is the URL pattern? Demo. Fine. What is the argument 2? Argument 2 is the callback function. We should be in a position. We need to place the argument 2. Argument 2 is the callback function. For the callback function, how many objects we need to supply? How many objects we need to supply? We should be in a position. We need to supply the 2 arguments. Argument 1 comma 2 arguments we need to supply. What is the first one? Request object. What is the second one? First one is the request object here. Second one is the response object. Let me go for the first one is the request object here. Second one is the response object here. Clear now? Fine. Can I send the response? Can I send the response?
Yes.
Is it possible to send the response here? Yes or no? We should be in a position. We need to send the response here. How we can send the response here? See this one. How we can send the response here? Can you people tell here? Response dot.
Press
Talk with
that
me.
right.
Response dot.
That's right.
Status of. Status of which status code you need to place 200. Piri, your statement applicable to like HTTP server. Here the standards are different. Piri,
Okay.
the standards are different. See this one. JSON. Here what you wanted to place? Some JSON response I need to place. Which response we need to send? Message colon. Message colon. See this one. Data from MongoDB data soon. Data from what? Data from MongoDB data soon. Some message we need to place. Fine. Guys, totally how many get requests are completed? Totally how many get requests are completed? 2 get requests. This is the default get request. This is the demo get request here. And here also one more request is there. The request is the which request is there? Demo request is there. 2 requests are completed here. Is my point right or not? Next one. See this one. Guys, can I create the post request? Can I create the
Yes.
post request? Yes or no?
Yes,
We
sir.
should be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to create the post request here. Let me create the post request. We should be in a position. We need to create the some post request here. See this one here. How we can create the post request here? See this one here. Here,
I'm done
tell me here.
post.
Amp done. Amp done. Tell me here. Amp done.
Post.
What you wanted to place? We should be in a position. We need to place the post. What
URL.
is the argument one? Argument one is the URL pattern. Which URL pattern? I'm taking the default URL pattern. Slash is there now. This is slash we can call default URL pattern. What is the argument to? Argument to is the what is the argument to? Argument to is the callback function. For the callback function, what you wanted to supply, we should be in a position. We need to supply the. We should be in a position. We need to supply the request comma response here. What are the request and response is there? That request and response we need to send. Fine. How to send the default response to the customer? How to send the default response to the customer? Response done. Response done. Status of status code guys. Response to status of status code. What is the status code? 200. Next one. Can I send the JSON response here? JSON of. JSON of. And here we should be in a position. We need to go for the what you wanted to place message. Message colon what you wanted to place default. Message colon what you wanted to place default post request. See this one. We should be in a position. We need to place the default post request or something we need to place. Clear now? Fine. Guys, let me go for the one more thing here. We should be in a position. We need to create the another post request here. Let me create the one more post request here. Let me create the one more post request here. Yeah, how we can create the one more post request here? How we can create it here? App dot what you wanted to place post of. What is the argument one? Argument one is the URL pattern. Guys, can I take the same URL pattern here? Yes, because this request goes to this request goes to get request. This request goes to this request goes to post request. Yes, we can have the same URL pattern, not an issue. Can I take the callback function again?
Yes, sir.
Can I take the callback function here? Yes or no? Yes, we should be in a position. We need to take the callback function. For the callback function, how many parameters we need to supply? 2 parameters we need to supply. What is the first parameter? Request parameter. What is the second parameter? The second parameter is the response parameter. How to send the response here? Response done. Response done. How to place the status code? Response dot status of 200 here. Next one, what you wanted to place? JSON of. JSON of what you wanted to place here? JSON of. We should be in a position. We need to place a message. Message equal to see this one. Data from Cassandra DB soon. Data from what you wanted to place? Cassandra DB database soon. Is something we need to place. Fine, guys. Totally, how many REST services we prepared? Talk with
4.
me. Totally, how many REST services we prepared? 4 services. So, is our server ready? Is our server ready? Yes or no? Yes, guys. Is our server ready? Yes or no? Yes, our server is ready here. Is my point right or not? Yes or no? Yes. After making server ready for this server, can I assign the port number?
Yeah,
Our server is ready. After making our server ready, can I assign the port number? Yes or no? Yes. How to assign the port number? How we can assign the port number? App dot listen up. What is the port number? The port number is the 8080. After making server ready, we should be in a position. We need to test on the port number here. What is the port number? We need to test on 8080. Is it a fixed number?
No.
Ravindra, is it a fixed number? No. If you wanted to change the port number, you can change the port number. This is not the fixed number. Whatever the number is that this is not the fixed number. If you wanted to change the port number, you can change the port number, not an issue here. Fine. Next one, say this one here. What is the second argument we need to place? The second argument is the callback function we need to place. I think if port number assigned successfully, whatever the port number is there, if the port number assigned successfully, automatically this callback function will be executed. Inside the callback function, I wanted to place some message. Whatever the message is there, that message we need to place console.log off. Console.log off, we should be in a position. We need to place the server started. Console.log off, what you wanted to place? Console.log off, we should be in a position. We need to place the server started message we can place here. Okay, now fine. Guys, totally how many REST services you developed? Tell me totally how many REST services you developed? 4 REST services. Na, we developed the 4 REST services. Is my point right or not? Yes, I think may know that REST services URLs. may know the trusted services URLs. You people need to tell what is the protocol. What is the protocol? HTTP protocol. Tell me what is the protocol. The protocol is the HTTP protocol here. Next one. What is the host? What is the host?
Localhost.
Host is the local host. What is the port number? What is the
8080.
port number?
8080.
8080. The port number is the 8080. This is which request? This is which
Get
request? Get
request.
request
Get
again. Get request as well as post request also. And
Yeah.
here also post request is there na. Here also post request.
Yes.
Both the requests. I think I can test like get request. I can test like post request also. Next one. Say this one. One more REST API. Which REST API? HTTP colon
HTTP.
/ HTTP colon
Localhost.
/ localhost colon 8080 slash
8080 slash demo.
8080 slash demo here. Say this one can. Here also I can test like by using get request.
Get
Yes or no? I can test.
Yes.
I can test with the help of get request. Can I test like post request also? Talk with me. Can I
Yes.
test like
Yes.
post request also? Yes or no? Yes, we can
Yes.
test like post request also. Fine. Totally how many requests are there?
4.
Four.
Totally how many requests are there? 4 requests are
Four.
there. Okay na? Can I test with the help of postman?
Yeah.
Can I
Yeah.
test with the help of postman? Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can test with the help of postman. Whatever the postman is there, through the postman we can test it.
चलिए हमारा तो असल बात हमको सबसे ज्यादा
Taken now. Fun. After taking this one, let me go for the guys. Is it a get request? Is our first request is the get request? Yes or no? Get.
Yes.
Fun.
Yes.
Is it a HTTP colon / localhost colon 8080?
Yeah.
Yes or
Yeah.
no? Yes.
Yes.
And
First of all, you need to start the server now.
yeah. Yeah.
Did you start the server?
No.
No.
Did you
No.
start the server? How to start the server? Node
02
02 node 02
Express
express
JS.
JS. Say this one. First of all, we need to start the server. How we can start the server? Node 02 express JS. Yes, the server started na. Yes.
Yes.
What are the server is there? The server started here. After starting the server, can I send that screenshot to you? We should be in a position we need to send the screenshot for you. Let me send the screenshot. What are the screenshot is there? That screenshot also I need to send for you. Okay, na? I think say this one. How to start the server, guys? Node space 02 express JS. Automatically we can start the server. What are the server is there? That server we're able to start here. Next one. After starting the server, can I test with the help of Postman?
Yeah, sir.
Can I test with the
Yes.
help of Postman? Yes or no? Yes,
Yeah.
we need to test with the help of Postman. Fine. See this one. HTTP colon / localhost colon 8080 slash. Yes, guys, what is the message we are getting? Default get request. This is the response coming from where? Whatever the response is there, this is the response coming from the node server onwards. This URL we will give to front-end technology. What is the front-end technology? Angular, React.js, Vue.js.
React.
For the front-end technologies, we need to give this URL. Okay, na? Guys, okay, na? Fine.
Yeah.
Can I send this screenshot also for you? Yes, let me send this screenshot also. What are the screenshot is there? This is a screenshot also I need to send for you. Let me send this a screenshot also. Yes, next one. Can I test the demo request? Can I test the demo request? Which URL?
Yes.
http colon / localhost colon 8080 slash demo. 8080 slash demo. Guys, what is the name of the tool? The name of the tool is the Postman. What is the use of this tool? What is the use of this tool? To test the REST APIs. In order to test the REST services. In order to test the REST services, then we need to go for the Postman tool. Fine. Can I click the send button? Yes.
Yeah,
Let
sir.
me click the send button. Yes, guys, what is the message we are getting? Data from MongoDB data soon. Data from MongoDB data soon. Something we are getting here. Fine. Let me see this one again. Here itself, I need to send the screenshot. What are the screenshot is there? This is screenshot also I need to send here. Fine. Guys, can you tell how to test the post request? How to test the post request? Post. Let me go for the post here. After going through the post, say this one. After going through the post here. After going through the post, what is the URL? Can you people tell what is the URL? HTTP colon. Tell me here. HTTP colon. What you wanted to place here? Localhost colon 8080 slash. This is the post request na.
Yeah, sir.
Guys, this is the post request na. Yes or not? Yes, this
Yeah.
is the post request. Fine. What is the message you are expecting? Default. What is the message you are expecting? Default post request na. What is the status code we are getting? What is the status code we are getting? 200 na. What is the status code? 200 care. How much time it is taking care to complete this request? It is taking the, tell me care. It is taking the how much second care? 9 milliseconds it is taking care. Clear na? Can I send this a screenshot for you? What are the screenshot is there? This is a screenshot also I need to share for you. Let me share this is screenshot for you. What are the screenshot is there? This is screenshot also I need to share for you. Say this one care. This is the post request. Next one. One more thing, guys. Let me go for the one more thing here. The one more thing is the after completing the this request here, can I go for the one more request? Can I go for the one more request? Say this one. HTTP colon / localhost colon 8080 slash demo. Is it a post request or get request?
It's a post request.
Post request. Now, which message you are expecting? Data from? Which message you are expecting? Data from Cassandra DB soon.
Already, yes.
Data from the where? Data from Cassandra DB database soon. This is the message we are expecting here. Clear now? Data from where? Data from Cassandra DB database soon. Okay, now fine. Now say this one here. I need you to send this a screenshot also. What are the screenshot is there? This is screenshot also I need you to share for you. That's it. Totally, how many REST services we developed? Anyone guys, totally how many REST services we developed? 4 REST services we developed here. Guys, did you get the clarity regarding this one? Do you people get the clarity regarding this one? Regarding the REST services? How to create, how to develop the REST service, basic REST services. Open your mouth, guys.
Yeah, sir.
Razat, everyone. Kiran, will you please practice this example?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah,
Talk
sure.
with me.
I will
Talk with me.
do.
Yeah, please practice this example. What are the examples of this example?
It is compulsory to use status function.
No, it's not the compulsory. It's recommended to place the status also. It's recommended. Okay, it's not a mandatory to place it. It's a recommended to place it here. That's it. Fine. Next one, guys. Anyone? How many members are the new members here? Let me identify the people here. Here, Kiran. Next one is the Pravat Kumar. Next one, Bhuvanesh. Bhuvanesh, you are also not related to Node.js, na? You are related to React, na? Bhuvanesh. Talk with me, guys. Can you people talk with me? No response. No. Kiran, Pravat Kumar Behra. How many members not there in the group itself? In the Telegram group here, how many members not there? Nearly 3 to 4 members are there.
Not there, sir.
Are you there in the Telegram? Are you there in the Telegram group from Pravat? No.
No, sir.
No. Fine. Why, sir? Those who didn't complete the registrations, please complete your registrations today. Because please today close it here. Otherwise, I need to change the meeting. Because of 3 to 4 members, I need to change the meeting, and I don't want to change it here. Those who didn't complete the registrations, you need to complete today itself. Fine. All the people here, those who are not related to Node.js, please complete today itself here. Fine. If do you have the account details, guys? Can you please commit the code here? First of all, we need to commit the code here. How we can commit the code here? Can you tell me here how we can commit the code? Git add data. Git add data. Next one, git commit -m. What you wanted to place here? -m. Next one is the code added or something we need to do place. Next one, how to push it? Git push. Guys, do you have this GitHub link? Razat, I hope you don't have this GitHub link. I think let me place this GitHub link in the group itself. Through this GitHub link, you can access the code. Complete code, you can access it here. Let me place this GitHub link also. Yes, this is the GitHub link here. Guys, save this link. In this link, only complete information is there. Okay, na? Fine. And the video files also, after completing the class, immediately I will place the video files also. Within 10 to 15 minutes, I will place the video files in the same group itself. If you wanted to listen it once again here, you people can listen it once again here. Okay, na? Next one. Yes.